Did you know wrinkles and fine lines aren't just a sign of aging? They're often a sign of what's missing in your skin structure. The good news? You can restore that structure naturally. I'm Allan Wohrnitz, a nutrition expert helping people restore their health naturally. Today I'll share how to reduce wrinkles and fine lines without harsh chemicals by rebuilding your skin from the inside out. Tip number 1. Rebuild collagen for firmness. Collagen is like scaffolding for your skin. It keeps it firm, elastic, and smooth. As we age, collagen production drops, leading to sagging skin, wrinkles, and fine lines. To reverse this, supplement with hydrolyzed collagen and boost your copper peptide levels, which signal your skin cells to make new collagen, even in your 50s, 60s, and 70s. Tip number 2. Boost your skin hydration with hyaluronic acid. Firm skin is only half the battle. You also need hydration to fill in the lines and keep skin glowing. Hyaluronic acid is your body's natural moisturizer, holding up to 1,000 times its weight in water. You can apply it topically, but even better, help your body make more of it by eating foods rich in milk peptides like yogurt, kefir, and hydrolyzed whey protein. Tip number 3. Protect your skin from breakdown. Collagen and hyaluronic acid can be damaged by free radicals from sun exposure, sugar, and processed foods. Protect your skin by eating antioxidant-rich foods like berries, green tea, and leafy greens, and by using a natural mineral sunscreen daily. If you'd like a personalized plan for rebuilding your skin's firmness and glow with exact foods, supplements, and dosages, book your free 30-minute consultation with me. The link is in the description. Wrinkles don't have to be inevitable. Give your skin the building blocks it needs. It can surprise you. Subscribe for more natural beauty and health tips, and share this with someone who wants to look and feel younger.